YouTube Premium é YouTube sem anúncios e a app YouTube Music tudo junto.
Hello everyone. Let me move the Discord here.
The Dapper coming says, it's the Portuguese guy.
It's the Portuguese guy. Welcome. Hey, hello. Let me put the stream here. Let me put the other stream here. And yeah. Welcome back, everyone. I'm sorry that I went rogue the last week.
Safe the Dapper coming says, I don't know what to call you, I just will call you Portuguese guy from now.
Oh, you can call me João or Tech, whatever. Perfect. Okay. So, what are we going to do today?
Safe the Dapper coming says, anyway.
Nah, no problem. You can call me the Portuguese guy. Okay, so today we are going to make...
The Dapper coming says, you look better non-shaven.
Oh, thank you. Thank you for the compliment. So, I really want to explore Godot, and I think we'll do...
IDR3AM says, you are muted.
Oh, I'm muted? I'm not. I'm talking.
IDR3AM says, can't hear you. Safe the Dapper coming says, here's one thing, you look like shaven.
Can you hear me?
Tech Studio says, can you hear me? Safe the Dapper coming says, you look like a egg no.
You look like an egg now.
Safe the Dapper coming says,
I can hear. Okay,
you.
Perfect. I'm gonna increase the music just a little bit. So basically, welcome AI Dream, and Flavaber, say Flavaber Gaming. I really don't know what to call you. So basically, what we are going to do today, we are not going to focus on Chase Me to the Moon. I know that the stream name is Chase Me to the Moon, but instead we are going to learn a little bit of Godot, because the thing is, I need to test like collisions logic, and for that I'm gonna do it by hand. and because I'm on another project and that's why I'm being absent, is that I have another project and I'm working on another project, and the problem is I'm trying to check collisions between stuff. The problem is that I'm not able to check the collisions properly. So what we are going to do is just try to do that. Just trying to create something with that. I know that I'll be doing it in Godot, but the main thing is it's not Godot, it's physics basically. I just want to reproduce it.
IDR3AM says, can't hear you still. IDR3AM says, you are muted.
No, I'm not muted. Is it?
IDR3AM says.
No, I'm not. I'm not. I'm not. System. Speaker system. Okay.
TechDev says, I'm not. Check your speaker system.
Yeah. But basically is that I want to check the collisions between. I'm not sure. I'm talking. I'm kind of talking.
IDR3AM says, I'm hearing music but unable to hear you.
Not sure why, but I'll listen.
IDR3AM says, oh, you are right, I think it's me.
From Portugal.
Safe the Dabergaming says, me, EISNTAX/my brain, egg from Portugal.
Oh gosh. So let's do like a mesh to the. I'm gonna delete this because who cares about this? We just care about camera. We need a mesh instance. Sure, we're gonna populate it with a box or a quad mesh or a plane. Placeholder mesh. Let me turn on my mouse. 1 second. Come on. Okay, perfect. Where is it? Okay. It can be outside. Okay, so placeholder mesh. No, I'm gonna do like a box mesh. Okay, it's there. We can increase the size.
Safe the Dabergaming says,
Okay, perfect.
finally I unsaw the egg, but then I realized your head is a tooth shape and you look like a tooth in my head.
What, dude? Minus 15. I'm gonna put the scale 25, 25. So we have a cube. Basically, what I'm trying to do, I'm gonna call it. Can I call it cube? Cube. And I'm gonna call it rectangle. Okay. What I want to do. Where's this?
IDR3AM says, are you going to implement Phantasma in there?
Oh, no. Oh, Jesus, no. 25, 25. Rectangle.
Safe the Dabergaming says, you are locking in harder than a bumper.
Okay. So, you are looking in harder than a bunker. Oh, God. Finally, I saw the egg, but then I realized your head is a tooth shape. And you look like a tooth in my... Oh, God. Okay. So, I'm gonna add another one. 25, 50. Perfect. And then I'm gonna create another one, but this time...
Safe the Dabergaming says, you don't have 1,000 yards there, you have 1,000,000 miles there.
Okay. 0, 0. 25, 25. So, 25. So, yeah. Okay. So, position. Okay. And in this time, it's gonna be a circle because I need a circular shape to test it. Perfect. Okay. So I need to do collisions by hand. Basically, I'll create a script that I will loop through every object. New script, C#. I'm gonna call it not on this folder, please don't. Up a path, script, and I'm gonna call it collision checker. Okay. I want to do it by hand.
Safe the Dabergamin says, to make collisions by hand, simply clap.
Now, I had fun. Collision checker. Oh. Show. I know the name of the project is soccer, but whatever. Regarding the Phantasma implementation, this game, no, I don't think so.
The Dabergamin says, they collided.
Yeah, it's true. Your trial expired, but I don't use... Oh, shit. Open with Rider. I don't use Visual Studio Code. Sure. So, today I'm gonna check collisions. The next day, since the next day...
IVR 3 AM says, is it because it is coded?
No, it's not because it's Godot. I can implement any blockchain in any game development language, like...
The Dabergamin says, oh shoot, Ronaldo shooting a penalty.
No, it's not because Godot... when I implement games, I don't want to be compromised with the blockchain itself. The blockchain will be a seamless experience for the end user. So you can play the game without even noticing that you are in a blockchain, basically using a blockchain technology to make the game playable. Because games should be... A game should be a game. A game with blockchain should be a game anyway. So yeah. No, come on. I hate these advertisements. Jeez. So, I'm not 100% comfortable with...
IVR 3 AM says, okay.
Yeah. I'm not comfortable with extern...
Safe the Dabergamin says, well man, Fortnite is updating and it's increasing. It went from 80 minutes to 102 minutes.
So you're going to stay here, watch me? So yeah, nice. Just kidding, but I hope you have fun. Like, I know it's a mesh instance 2D, right? Yeah. And it's an array of colliders. Okay. Why is this important? It's not external. How can I put variables showing on there? I always tend to forget. It's like in Unity, it's like serializable field, but
you look like a mesh while shaven mess asterisk.
What? You look like a mesh while shaven mess. What? It's not public. It's not. I don't know. So let's close this. Okay, perfect. What do we need? I will go Google it. Godot engine. Make a field. Sorry, field.
Safe the Dabergamin says, do you know what is public? The McDonald's bathroom.
Do you know what is public? I don't. That's accessible in the Godot editor. It's export.
Safe the Dabergamin
finally.
Says, it's now 104 minutes. Safe the Dabergamin says, this ain't Epic Games. Safe the Dabergaming says, this epic loadings.
Okay.
IDR3AM says, is there an SDK for Goated for Phantasma?
What? What the hell happened? I did not get the question. Is there any SDK for Godot for Phantasma? No that I know of. I don't think so. I don't. If you don't know, I'm no longer a developer for Phantasma. By the way, I did not publish my paper yet, but I'm no longer a developer for Phantasma, neither a maintainer. I'm just an advisor. So I'm just helping them out with everything they need to make sure the blockchain keeps running. But I don't develop anymore for Phantasma. Just to clarify, so like if you see me develop for Solana, Altura, or anything else, you need to make sure that okay, I'm free and no longer tied up with a Phantasma blockchain. Just letting you know. Okay.
IDR3AM says, oh okay, so you won't publish games on Phantasma either?
I didn't say that. I didn't say that. Container, maintainer, tooth retainer. Okay, so hopefully.
Safe the Dabergaming says, container, maintainer, tooth retainer.
Okay. So, rectangle 2. The thing is, how can I make it public? I don't know. I always hate this part because I really want to make it accessible from the outside. 1 second. Okay, let's go. Let's continue.
Dabergaming says, you're staring at me looking like you're a killer of a family of 10 and I'm the only one left running away.
Jesus, no, don't say Jesus. That's brutal, dude. Don't. Okay, so let's go. I don't understand why. For example, sometimes. Oh, jeez, what the hell? Oh gosh. Sometimes I just wanted to be able.
The Dabergaming says, your stare is more brutal.
No, it's not. No, it's not. Okay, so I have them. Oh, now so you need to build them. Now it's showing. That's the only problem that I have with Godot. I just need to get accustomed to it because I really want to get good at it, but I know. Oh, jeez, no, 4 only. Okay, rectangle 2. Sorry.
Safe the Dabergaming says,
Rectangle.
wait. Safe the Dabergaming says,
Circle.
now I truly know.
And cube. You know what? Your story, so your stare is more brutal. Jesus. Okay, so what I want to do is.
The Dabergaming says, you're the top bone of my index finger.
Why? Okay. I need to do some type of script that allows me. I'll create another script in each instance. I'm not gonna call it cube. I'm gonna call it mouse follow. Okay.
The Dabergaming
Sorry.
says, like look at your index finger at the top bone, look from the inside side, you look exactly like it.
You are really creative. You are indeed a really creative person. I'm gonna tell you that. This is a compliment. I'm not joking. So basically what we need to do, I think I could put it in the collision checker, but basically I need mouse, follow mouse, input event mouse, input event player movement. I know that I already did this in another project. I need to check follow mouse Godot. I know that I'm searching on the web, but I really need this. I just need the code. I don't need anything else.
The dazzling says, and your hair is the tip of a dirty nail.
Come on, dude. Don't be rude. Mouse pause. Okay, var mouse pause. Is it possible to import? Okay, no. Get okay, in local mouse okay, no.
Safe the dazzling says, Casio. Safe the dazzling says, Casio.
Casio.
Safe the dazzling says, Casio.
Okay, I need to go to the Godot docs. I need to go to the documentation. Manual contributing getting started. I don't need to getting started. TD prerequisite no content start. Yeah.
Says, type it in YouTube. It's a channel.
Yeah, I will, but not now. Mouse. Okay. I need the C#. Yeah, okay. Okay. So we get this.
Safe the dazzling says, I decided to show you his channel.
I will look into it. I will. Let me mouse coordinates. Okay. So I'm gonna copy the input so we can. Okay, let me see, because I'm not using it in a sprite, but I hope that it works in the canvas mode, so we can.
The dazzling says, Custy is the dude who made the earth round.
Okay, so yeah, so we have the position. Okay, perfect. Now, since we have the position, what we can do is we can put like a private mouse position, sure.
Safe the dazzling says, he is so big that the earth turned him into the core because his gravity was so strong the earth layers on him. Safe the dazzling
Jesus,
says,
you are so
that's
mean.
how the earth become round.
Okay, let me just think. Okay. I need to like select raycast. Let's check raycast. I'm not sure if it's possible or raycasting. I don't know. I never used it. So, one more directly using the following code in 2D. Okay, so let's do it. This is physics process. I think it will be like something like this. Get report, get world today. No? Get world. Okay. World today? Yeah, hopefully. Not space. Okay, it changed. Maybe I need to physics.
Safe the Dabergamin says, and he is so big if you find him in the short it will scroll upward until you reach the top short.
Don't be mean, dude. Don't be mean. I just want to do a raycast. Okay, raycast query. Okay, this is what I'm looking for. Space dot.
Safe the Dabergamin says, I ain't being mean, him explaining how the earth became round.
You are kind of being mean. Roll to D. Physics. Okay. I'm not sure how to get that property because I'm not getting it. To perform queries into physics space, the physics direct space state 2D and physics direct state 3D must be used. Okay, raycast 2D and raycast 3D. Okay, so supposedly the query goes as follows. You query create a from, okay, and this is a 2 collision mask. Okay,
The Dabergamin says, he is so big that he collapsed into himself and became a black hole and absorbed the universe. Becus the sun looked like a burger bun.
Jesus, dude, you what? Okay, supposedly this will return something. And what you can do is show off what we returned. Basically, what I'm gonna create is a public function void on
Safe the Dabergamin says, he is so big he doesn't ride elephants, elephants ride him.
Jesus. On left click. Okay. And now what I want to do is I want to check. Okay. I want to check it. Can we check? Not pressed. I need to know which.
Safe the Dabergamin says, he is so big he is classified as a planet by NASA.
You are mean, man. You are mean. Okay.
Safe the Dabergamin says, I'm not average. Safe the Dabergamin says, mean means average, doesn't it?
Mean is the average. Yeah, it's true. It's true. Okay. So what we want to do is basically on left click, we need to do this.
Safe the Dabergamin says, so I gotta say something.
Okay. Okay, so private select, sorry, private mesh, sorry, mesh to the instance, selected collider.
Safe the Dabergamin says, he is so big that he isn't in a planet that orbits the sun orbits him.
Okay, if it's not null, what we need to do is... What I need to do is I want to transform dot I thought that you could move yeah, you can move it. This goes here. This is going to be removed. So, okay. I don't think it's gonna detect anything, but yeah. Let me try something.
Safe the Dabergamin says, he is so big that he eats uranium to stay alive. Google calories in uranium.
It. Sorry. Okay, from, I'm gonna say camera. Get viewport, camera, get camera to the
Safe the Dabergamin says, Google it before your planet becomes his next McDonald's order.
Mouse pause. Okay. Let me see if I can make it. Okay. Eat. See? We are eating something. So if we are eating, eating. Okay, let's try to do. Okay, I have hit an object. What the hell is inside of this? Okay, let's check if. How can I try to check the collisions and on mouse up?
Safe the Dabergamin says, do you know how the asteroid that killed the dinosaurs originated? It was his last poop.
Okay. I really don't know what the hell contains, what's inside of result. See, like, I really don't have a clue, and this is really weird. It contains position, it contains collider ID, it contains collider.
Dabergamin says, do you know how jars formed? Safe the Dabergamin says, Mars asterisk.
I don't need that.
Safe the Dabergamin says, it was because he was playing with some Play-Doh and accidentally lost it.
Let me check if I'm getting the mouse position correctly. Do you know how jars form? Mars. That's because it was playing with some dough and the accident lost. Okay. So I don't need this.
Safe the Dabergaming says, I can roast better than most barbacks.
Theoretically, we can move it.
Safe the Dabergaming says, BBQS.
Barbecue?
Safe the Dabergaming says, man read the comment before I just said barback. Safe the Dabergaming says, well man. Safe the Dabergaming says, he is so big that he was the point of infinite density during the Big Bang.
What? Gosh, what the hell? Okay. It's not from the camera 3D position, but for okay, var camera 2D, and now you do var from, it will be equals to camera 2D dot project. Are you joking? Yeah. Why does the 3D camera has?
He is so big that his intestines are so big that scientists discovered it and thought it was a wormhole.
Okay. Let me see if our friend can work out the mathematics to fix it.
Safe the Dabergaming says, he is so big that he ate a red dwarf star becus it looked like ketchup.
Okay, anyway, I'm gonna make this a singleton. a simple way of selecting an object is making it. There are two possible ways. Either you cast array or you put a script in every single object and then you handle it. So you create another script and you created like object selector. Something simple. You call it as follow mouse. You do something like this. Then you come here, you go follow mouse, you come here. It's not follow mouse. There you go. Okay. I don't need this. No, maybe I'm gonna call it this. Okay. And then public. I know it should be private, but I'm gonna do this. I don't want this. I'm gonna do collision checker.instance.set selected collider, and I'm gonna call it this. It's the simplest way of doing this, really. Honestly, it is the simplest way of okay, let me how to check if someone pressed the left mouse button on top of my mesh 2D. Let's see.
Safe the Dabergamin says, I quit roasting Casio.
Casio. Do you know what he was trying to do with his name, Casio? He was trying to call him queso, which means cheese. I think that's why he named himself Casio. Without knowing him. So I need a collision shape. So let's do this. So I need to add a child. No.
The Dabergamin says, it's Becus he wouldn't eat any grilled meat, only McDonald's.
So I'm gonna do collision shape. This one is rectangle. Jesus. So I'm gonna
Safe the Dabergamin says, DIDNT you get it.
0.5.
Safe the Dabergamin says, I said. Safe the Dabergamin says, I quit roasting Casio Becus he wouldn't eat grilled meat, only McDonald's. Safe the Dabergamin says, am I banned?
You should have been banned. No, you're not banned, but you should. Don't disrespect people. We are a community that wants to have fun, not kill everyone with roasting.
Safe the Dabergamin says, okay, I'll stop.
I'm not saying that you need to stop,
Safe
but
the Dabergamin says, cheese.
yeah. I just want to check if it has on the cube. Okay, so
Safe the Dabergamin says, cheese with fish in a dish.
it's weird. I have set the
Safe the Dabergamin says,
so weird. What? Okay. Shouldn't it select an object? Cube. Okay. Why?
Safe the Dabergamin says, and Lemum.
Oh.
Safe the Dabergamin says, he. Safe the Dabergamin says, is. Safe the Dabergamin says, cheese.
Let's do this. Let's try it out.
Safe the Dabergamin says, cheese cheesy C.
Oh, I shouldn't. Okay. I'm gonna comment this out so we can do this. Okay.
Safe the Dabergamin says, and can give me all your money or I'll slap Messi with Ronaldo's boot. Safe the Dabergaming says, you're staring at me like a burned down your house right now.
What? Okay, I was just checking on thing. But basically, I'm trying to do like follow it. But what the hell is happening? I'm setting the position of that object. Get to
Safe the
the
Dabergaming says, Philip the Dillip Slil Liap Pile Phil Phone Bone you owe a government loan.
It's so weird. Why? What the hell is going on?
Com mais de 80 milhões de músicas oficiais, nunca mais vai ter de ouvir a mesma música duas vezes. Obtenha o YouTube Music Premium.
Yeah, something is not right. Private vector 2 get world mouse position. It's not like that. You also need camera. HD supposedly. And you do camera. And you do camera dot and okay, camera get local mouse position. Perfect. Okay, it's not this. Oh, yeah, I still need it. Yeah.
Safe the Dabergaming says, you look like I burned you life savings.
Why? I don't need this. Please. I'm gonna create a private camera to the camera. Of course, when you are ready, it just fetches the camera. And then you don't need to do this, so because you already have. Yeah, this is not doing anything. That's why. Mouse pause equals to camera. And now you can just set this. Perfect. Oh, perfect. I like it. Now we need to check collisions. Okay, let me check to see if this is working. No, it's not working. I might need like something. Do I have a material or something? Yeah. New standard material 3D. I just want to put the albedo with a color or something. Like, it could be like a bluish color. Okay, it's not setting the color. Nice. Do we have an albedo? Please? Oh, yeah. Oh, forget it. Clear. Texture. Material. New canvas? Maybe? Do we have a way? No. I'm trying. No. Vertex color uses albedo. And I'm gonna green. Anyway, was trying to add a texture to it, but not sure. Anyway, okay, at least it's following. So what happens if you can you know if you're pressing GD print on this object this.name. I'm gonna put it on the circle. Oh, script object selector. If Okay. Okay. So I need to add a collision. Collision. To add a collision object. Collider? No. Static body. Okay. I don't want to see like mouse input. Maybe. Okay, let me. Now I have. Sorry, now I have the position. Can I recast it? Can I? Let me check if I have the code to recast it. The code that was provided was like this. Okay. I'm having fun. Okay, let me clear. And let's clear this one. And let's go. Oh. Okay. I'm gonna copy the code that was provided to me by ChatGPT. I'm not sure this is going to work. Yeah, it's using the language that they tend to use. I know it's Y, it's X, it's X, it's Y.
Safe the Dabergamin says, man.
Yeah. Hmm.
Safe the Dabergamin says, today I'm having corn and liver.
Create. Okay.
Safe the Dabergamin says, he'll be having a great meal tonight.
Perfect. Now we
Safe the Dabergamin says,
okay.
corn separate dish and liver separate dish. Safe the Dabergamin says, Fortnite update 99 plus house bruh.
You're gonna make it.
Safe the Dabergamin says, well it changed. Safe the Dabergamin says, it has repented to God. Safe the Dabergamin says, it back to 100 minutes. Safe the Dabergamin says, it's rising again. Safe the Dabergamin says, 3 hours. Safe the Dabergamin says, Fortnite be on something.
I need to do something like
Safe the Dabergamin says, you look like mozzarella sticks.
I like mozzarella sticks. Gotta check mouse click. Okay.
Safe the Dabergamin says, your neck is long.
I'm not sure if that's a compliment or you're just being you.
Safe the Dabergamin says, I would mistake you for a giraffe if you were yellow.
That's rude. That's rude. I like giraffes, by the way, but it's rude. Okay. Area to the... Okay. So if I have an area to the... Gravity disable. Exactly. Collision. Input. Pickable. Transfer. Okay. So then if I put it here, perfect. I'm gonna
Safe the Dabergamin
create a
says,
new...
you look more plain than toast right now.
What? Handle on object select. Okay. I know I need handle on object select. Okay. Override. Input.
Safe the Dabergamin says, you look like if a Dorito was a person.
Oh, I like Doritos. They're good. It's not an insult. Who doesn't like Doritos? Come on.
Safe the Dabergamin says, not an insult, more like waiting for Uadate.
Not an
Safe the
insult, more like
Dabergamin
waiting
says,
for
it
an
will take
update.
3 hours.
You are waiting for an update of Fortnite. You need... What's your internet speeds, dude? Jesus, it's slow, right?
Safe the Dabergaming says, my internet is good. YOS4 got low storky. Safe the Dabergaming says, I'm winning Rocket League duo lol.
Let me.
Safe the Dabergaming says, EZZZZ. Safe the Dabergaming says, opponent forfeited. Safe the Dabergaming says, lololololololololol.
Perfect. So I can skill them. Now we can do this. And you have everything ready. Perfect. Now what you need is to remove this. So you have everything. Okay. And what you're gonna do is Let me see if it's working. Perfect. Now I have something that updates I have something that changes the position, and I will need to have something to check the. I don't need this anymore. I need something to check. Okay, if equals to null, what I'm gonna do is return it, because I just want to work with it, okay? So what are you going to do? We are going to draw it. Okay, draw some points.
Safe the Dabber command says, I quit.
Okay, bye. gd.debug. Okay, now.
Miguel Costa says, hey Tech, how are you doing? Batteries back up. Feeling energized?
Hey man, welcome to the stream.
Safe the Dabber command says, not the stream.
Wait a minute.
The Dabber command says, I meant Rocket League.
Which one was the one that I had open? It's this one.
Safe the Dabber command says,
Hi
I kept
Miguel.
on scoring but the game wouldn't score.
Hey Tech, how are you doing? Batteries back up, feeling energized? Yeah, I'm getting there. I'm working on something. I'm liking what I'm doing. That's the most important part. I can tell you what I'm doing. I'm doing collisions by hand, which is not something that's and yeah. Okay. So it's something that I'm learning, and I'm learning a lot. So this is amazing. As you can see, I'm already getting the shapes, getting everything moving. I want to check collisions, okay? For example, here. I want to check if it's a cube. I don't care. They are always ended with a square. I want to get them from the position. I want to get like each set of X and Y coordinates. And
The Dabber command says, why do I feel that you're ignoring me?
I'm not ignoring you. Not the stream. I meant Rocket League. I kept on scoring, but the game wouldn't score. Why do I feel... Okay. I love Rocket League, and I've played Rocket League a bunch, by the way. I got... The maximum rank that I got was Diamond. Diamond close to the rank above Diamond, by the way. Yeah, and I like Rocket League a lot. So... maybe one day we will play it on stream. Just why not? Yeah, I don't need this here. Okay. This is more like it. I know it's getting late. I think it's missing the bottom left. Anyway, let's test this way. Is it running? No, it's not. My bad. It's... Okay. Okay. Oh. Okay. Perfect. So I don't need to add any logic here. So top left, X, top right. This is not going to be detecting anything, I can tell you. See, it's not detecting anything. I know that I'm using a circle, but it doesn't matter. Maybe I'm using the collider position, which I shouldn't. I'm gonna create the area to the area to the colliders areas. Original naming thing. It works the same way. Selected object. The thing is that it shouldn't be the object, it should be the collider. Yeah. Oh yeah. Um. Perfect. Now let's go. Okay, so let's start the logic right. Okay. If my object, my top left corner, is between the left and right X, okay. My top X is less than the top right, it's correct, and my top right is higher if my top left is less than the top right, so it's in there. Okay, and my top left as well. If my top left X is less, I'm gonna invert the logic. So, and yeah. So if my top left is between the top right and top left, means that I'm colliding, which is true. Oh, let's check if it makes sense, the logic. It will say that I'm colliding with them even though I'm here, okay? No problem at all. Okay, so we covered the X. Okay. Now we need to cover. Okay, I have the object position and I have the scales up, down, left, right. What we need to do now? We check if we are on the top, right, and left. We just need to do this once, okay? Right? Actually, no, we need to do it. We need to do it for every, like, top right, top left, bottom left. We need to do it for every single one of these. But maybe there's a better way. But first, let's do this. This is a way of colliding. Or my top right equals greater than top left. My top right less than the top right. Which means I'm inside. Okay? Or this is gonna be, okay, I'm inside, but I still need to not double check. And exactly. Or, and this is gonna be like this, and or maybe this is the logic. I'm not sure. I'll need to double check it. Not only by hand, but by see, it's not colliding, so it's a lot of logic and nonsense logic. Okay, so we're gonna do it basically this way. I don't care about you. I want to do the logic by hand. Come on. Is it colliding? Is it colliding? No. My top left. My top left, top right. Okay. And my top left, the Y, basically what I'm saying is it will only be colliding if my top left corner of my object is between, and this is gonna be, and okay, and that, okay, and I need to do this because I need to open one, because I need or top left, my top left Y greater than their top left. No, it's basically their bottom left and their top left. The Y is going to be the same and the X is going to be the same. I don't need this. Then I need to do this. Then I need to do this for every single it's not colliding. But if I come here, should. Okay. My top left Y. It's greater than the bottom left. Which in fact is true, right? I'm just checking the top left corner of my object. Now I'm saying that, okay, is it contained in this space? So my object needs to be inside top left, my top left. So it needs to be inside. This is not wrong. Okay.
Miguel Costa says, that seems tough as hell. Gotta run. Have a good day.
Have a good day. I'm just kidding. I'm trying to get the numbers. Max Y. Mean Y. Max X var mean X. Okay. Mean X. Oh, sorry. Mean X. Max X. Because with all of these combinations, you can check if anything is inside. Okay. Private void, bool is inside. And I'm gonna pass a vector 3, 2, point. It shouldn't be a point, but and I'm gonna pass the max should be mean, and I'm gonna pass like float mean X, float max X, float mean Y, float max Y. Y. I'm just checking for 4 points. Okay. Okay, they are colliding. Yeah, they are colliding. Supposedly I should do it, but at the scale of the object. I think I'm gonna end the stream here. I'll need to think about this. But yeah, we got some progress. Mathematics, it's a really nice thing. Thank you, everyone. Have a nice day and enjoy. Thank you, everyone. Bye.